guys, it's Flashy Leisure, and today I'm playing Stickman the Fight. I tried to do a video on this, but it didn't work, and I know why it did not work. It's because if you do a video and then it's barely uploading, and then you just like take your video, like move it from your space, because if you don't have no space, you have to take it out, because I have no space, but it'll still be on YouTube. But if it's barely uploading, it doesn't work. It barely. So I'm gonna play this. Yeah. Die. Oh no 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 no, I'm not leading you. No 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 no. No one knows how to play except me. Okay, I could kill you now. Oh MJ, I didn't see I had a sword. Just came out of bro. Bro wait. Oh, they just pushed me off. Yellow one, I've never seen yellow. No. Yellow always kills me in this level. Like, there's like two levels that yellow always kills me. No! Oh, good. Oh no, I'm gonna protect myself. Yay! Bye. Haha. Oh no, I'm gonna get away from you. Died. Death to him. I'm gonna fight him. Get ready to fight. Yeah. Boom. Death. I'm winning this game. Die. Bye-bye. You're dead. Hey, really? No. Please don't kill me with that. Okay, I was one. Okay. Here. That's what happened. Okay. Oh no. No. No! Trying to escape. Not gonna happen. Someone has a gun. She's not good. And where is this one? Okay. There's two more than red. I sometimes win this if I you know, I sometimes lose. Oh no. You're not killing me. Woo! Bye-bye. Just kidding. Well, no, I was about to die. Oh, I'm good thing I know how to fly. These people don't know. No. Three more harder than you. No, red, no. No. Bye. I'm gonna heal myself. Bye-bye, world. Ah! Just gonna be friends with the laser. Hey, laser, wanna be friends? No, he didn't want to be friends. He killed me. Oh no. Let's play another one. Okay. Please be blue in this. Yes, I knew. Order. Sorry, you can die. No. I can't believe it. No. Oh no. No, red. No. Okay, kill myself. No. Happening. Yes. Oh no, this. No. Yeah, I'm gonna kill myself now. Okay. Oh no. I'm trapped here. Ah! I need to move. You do a certain move. There. Hello. 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 Hello on the dark side. Bye world. No. Wait, bye world. Oh no, you're not. Got real good. Guys, stop fighting. Everyone's gonna die. Guys, stop fighting, I said. Oh no. You're dead. I'm winning. Oh, no. See it with me. I'm gonna kill everybody here. Move it. Why is everyone going over here? Ah! Died. Okay, red is so close. Okay, he's gonna end up killing himself. Okay. Oh no. I don't want that to see me. No. I have to kill you the hard way. Oh no. Okay. That's right. I don't really care. Okay. No. No. Blue won for the first time. Oh no. Going up. Flights. It's easier when I move this. I want to win and lose. No matter what. Bye. Yo. Hey. Okay. Who's gonna die? Me. Oh no. Okay. This way. Oh, it's me versus yellow. Okay. These are easy ones. No, you're dying. Yes, I died. Oh, no. She died too wellish. No. I'm not gonna die. No. I'm gonna survive this. Oh, so close. Oh, no. Can't shoot me. Whoa, bro. I'm down, bro. Down. Bye. Yeah. Whoa, no, you can die. Yeah, no. Those it. Die. Nah. She's winning. Boom. Died. Come. No. No. 2 bullets. No. Chicken die. I'm just gonna fight her. No. She's winning. I can't let her win. Yay. I wish red was your... Bye, yellow. You're not gonna jump. Show you right. You're like in yellow. No. Yay, she died. I don't even know if she's a she or he. Just calling her a she because yellow is a she color. No, 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 no. No, no. No, 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 no. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. I'm not gonna worry about it. Bye. 2 more. Explode. Explode. That's cool. You no follower. No. Coming. Yeah, she died. I know. I beg you, just don't worry about it. They're not gonna worry about you. Oh no! Oh, oh, oh. No, 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 no! She's breaking the blocks. Okay, get this. Better get this. Better get this. No, no, no. Punch! No, punch! 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 Yeah, got her! Got her! I killed her! I'm tired of your winning. No. No! No! No. OMG, 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 I'm gonna leave that. No, 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 you're gonna, yes, yes, yes! OMG. Oh no, no, you're not winning this. No, not at all. You won. I'm just gonna stay over here. Just gonna try some traps. Oh, nuts. Let her kill me. Oh, snap. Why do I always lose on this level? Yeah, she's gonna die. Oh, yeah. Oh. No! What? No. She's gonna die. I knew it. I know this level. It's dying. Oh. It's dying. I don't even move. What? Yep. Again. Oh. Okay. I'll just stay here. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, I was winning on this. Okay, okay, okay. Why am I glitchy? Glitchy. Hey, I'm gonna kill you. 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 Yeah, I killed her. Killing people, oh yeah, in the streets. Yeah, at least I have my speed again. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh yeah. No, 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 no. Yep. So it was in this. No, 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 no. No, 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 Yep. Push. No, bro. Oh no, no, you're gonna lose. Yes, you lost. At least I got it too. Nee. Oh, Jesus, crazy. Crazy. I just can't believe I've got her. Come on, come to me. Type in your explosion, ma'am. I'd like to have an explosion. Boom! Oh no. No. So nice of you. Come at me. Oh no, I just died. I did that. Oh, that. Bye bye, my world. Unite! No, this level. If I win, and if I lose, I'll okay. This was level sensei. If I win, I will do another level. But if I lose, I'll just finish the video. So I just yeah, just the video. But then cancel it, didn't get to see it. So where I'm gonna be versus, it's gonna be how I said it. Oh no, if I lose this, okay. No, okay. Better one. Okay. And I okay. So here's the video, guys. Up here, guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below that the video, and yeah, guys. See you guys next time, guys. Bye.